What is going on, guys? If this is your first time onto my channel, or you're brand new here, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button on your way in. And if you find value out of this content, please hit that thumbs up button, turn it blue for me. I appreciate it. In today's video, we're going to be on day 4 of our Clickbank series, our 30-day challenge, using our easy copy and paste emailing system. So if you're here for that, do me a favor, stay tuned. And my name is Curtis, aka all right, we're going to be going into our Clickbank today and seeing if we made any more money. Yeah, well, if I can find it. Give me a minute here. Didn't want that. Let's see. Give me just a second. Sorry about that. I've added another monitor and it disappeared on me. So, all right, let's go to Clickbank. You're gonna sign in. If you ain't got a Clickbank account, make sure you sign up for one. Easy to do. It's free. Products in there are easy to promote and are free. So no, we don't have any more money yet, which ain't no biggie. We got another almost month to keep emailing people and see how we do. But we do want to go to our reportings tab and see how we're doing on that. So 2,106 hits on this one product that we're promoting right at the moment. And I did want to show you, if you wanted to look at where your leads are coming from in your multiple accounts from My Lead Gen Secrets, like MLGS254, and then I got 1 and my 0 there, which actually ain't showing even 3 on there, but probably because I didn't number it. And I'll show you what I mean by that. But see, we are getting a lot of leads looking at it and checking it out. That's a good thing. So let's go into the My Lead Gen Secrets accounts. And I've actually already emailed them today, so I'm not going to go through every single one of them. We'll just go into what I did once, and then you get the gist of it, So actually, let's go back to the marketplace here right quick. And remember, we can only email the e-business and e-marketing because these are people looking to make money online. So we'll go into that. Let's sort it by gravity. And then let's open our affiliates page. Affiliates help page there in a new tab. We're going to go to that. And since today's the day 4, we're going to go to day 4's email swap. $40 per tweet for name. And you notice this name is in brackets here. So when you go to send it out, make sure you use the squiggly line brackets short code that's provided in My Lead Gen Secrets, which is right here. And make sure it's that squiggly line all the way copied right there. And see, we put there's the subject line we sent out for today. And let's go back here, select all. And I will open each account and we'll see how many leads we sent out today. Figured it up on the calculator. So let's go to, now the body we copied, and of course changed the name right there. We changed that code, and we put from country, we put in your area because there is no country code. You copy it all the way down to the signature right here. Signature is just going to be your name. And like I said, I'm not going to go through all this over and over and over again. I mean, first couple videos, you'll see what I've done, how I've done it. So We just ain't, you know, killing a dead horse. So let's go back to, of course, the reason you want to leave those two open so you can track it, you know, put MLGS in your tracking ID, generate hot links, and then, you know, copy to put in your links. But once you've done all that, of course, go back into your mailer system, you know, copy and paste it into there. You know, just highlight this, delete it, and hit Control V. Perfect timing, and mail it. See, I've already mailed it, so I can't mail out for another 22 hours today. I did this video a while ago and didn't realize my sound was off, so I apologize for that as well. But I did want to at least get a short video out there today and show how many leads we sent out. So, all right, we're gonna go to the calculator here. Bring it back over here. Got 21,500 plus. All right. So, well, calculator. I'm sure that's moving it somewhere, but we're gonna make sure it don't. All I got here. Go to number 2. See how many was sent. 18,300 there. For 39,800. All right. Let's go to number 3. You said 9,200 there. Yeah, I'm getting 200 leads on this number 3 because I am daisy chained under myself, and if you don't know what that is, I'll show you here in a second. So 9,600 plus 49,400 total right at the moment. All right. Let's go with number 4. Log in. 6,900. 56,300. Log out. And go to the last one. See how, which is 800. My newest account right there. So that gives a total of 57,100 leads. And I'll do something here right quick. All right, this 57,100 leads. I want to show y'all something right quick. Let's go to, let me move this over here. Let's go to, say, Udemy. If I can spell it right. All right. Now, Udemy is a solo ads provider. And I'm not going to knock solo ads. They can be good. They can be bad. It just depends on who you get them from. You know, how much you spend on it. As you see, I've got an account with them. I have bought them. But I'm just going to show you, let's see, my orders here. I bought 250 visitors, 50 clicks from him before. And I I don't see my amount I spent on it. Okay, $136. So you want to go? What I say? 250 times 136, or divided by, actually. 250 divided by $136. That's almost $1.83 per click. Now that's on just one set of solo ads I bought. You know, see, I bought a bunch over the years. Now, let me go this on the 57,100. Say divided by $30. That ain't right. Let's see. 57,100. Because you're getting 200 leads per day. So that actually, let's do this calculator. I've got 5 accounts, 3 of which are getting 200 leads per day times 200. Wait. 3 times 200 equals plus another 200 from 100 from each account. That equals, okay, 800 leads per day is what I'm getting. So we're going to times that times 30 days. 24,000 roughly times, and we're going to, that's 24,000 leads per month. So we're going to divide that by, was it $1 divided by $30 that we're paying a month for the account. That's 8 cents, 8 cents per lead, thereabouts. And of course, your leads build up every month. So compared to what you would pay for solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, any of those type things, you're getting out really, really cheap, and you're able to hold on. This creates an email list for you without an autoresponder and without needing a website, because you're using Clickbank's website. So I'll show you here. Let's see. In my leads, we're going to go to, let's just go to January, end of January here. I don't want to download them. You can if you want. If you got an email responder and you want to download these leads, you can, and like get response or whatever it is you may have. I would suggest you do more 100 or 200 at a time, maybe every 24 hours, because they might shut you down for putting so many in at one time. And I think Aweber don't like you doing it at all. I know Get Response will, because I do have them, but let's just look. We'll see. See, these are all real people, all leads, all emails, which you can't see the emails and the names. I'm gonna have them blocked, but you'll see. So It is real. It does work. It takes time. And that's it for today's video. And once again, if you got value out of this video, please hit that thumbs up button for me. And subscribe if you hadn't subscribed to the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you.